Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tawanda, and welcome to At Home with Tawanda. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious, quick, and simple, easy meal that I decided to do for our Sunday dinner. This is not our traditional Sunday dinner because we usually have like soul food, but instead this is something that was really easy to cook. Everyone in my home absolutely loves baked spaghetti. We're also going to be making a side salad to complement it. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'll also be linking the description in the description box for the recipe. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Alright guys, so we're at the end of today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. This is not the normal video of me cleaning and decorating. Instead, I wanted to do a cooking motivation today as well. So you all have a great, fantastic rest of your day. Have a great start to your week next week. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Take care of yourselves and also your families.